Today I'm going to be taking a look at this utility cart that Wes sent to me so I could do the review. Let's get it out of the box, see everything it comes with, get it all put together, and then check it out. These are all the pieces out of the box. Got them here laying on the shop floor because they're pretty big. Looks like a real simple assembly, so I'm going to go ahead and do that and let you know how that was. Here it is all put together, and this thing was super easy to put together. Now there's not a lot of details in the manual that show you how to put it together. It's kind of like an parts, kind of a blow up of all the different parts and how they kind of slide together, but it's not like a step-by-step install. The only thing that I would say that might be a little tricky for some is the handle here. You want to put the handle on the top piece before you set it on the legs, because there's a little notch that's in that handle that goes between the leg and the top and holds it in place. So there's just carriage bolts down here to hold the wheels on, and then there's a Phillips head screw that goes into each one of the legs on the top, and that's it. It's all held together that way. And it's held together nice, very sturdy. This thing holds up to 550 pounds. It's got this great little compartment area here. I love this. Cup holder, always need that. Really sturdy handle. I mean, this thing is nice. It's got two locking 360-degree rotating wheels in the front and then stationary wheels in the back. They roll nice and easy on the ground, and you can just go ahead and lock it. And when I say they roll nice and easy, if I didn't lock this, the cart would just like slowly start walking away, because we do have a slight tilt in the concrete on this shop. But the ball bearing wheels and everything, I mean, it rolls really easy. Probably even with 550 pounds on it, probably would still roll very easy. It's got these little hook here areas where you can hook things on the legs. I'm definitely going to be using this a lot. I really like it. I definitely think you'll really like it. And I hope all of this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.